How to sync and find contacts in LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, keep holding the LinkedIn icon, then tap on app info, then tap on permissions. Now tap on contacts and select allow. Then go back and open up LinkedIn on a device. Then tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now simply tap on settings. Now go to account preferences. Now scroll down, then tap on sync contacts. Now on this page you can sync your contacts. Now once you sync it, simply go back, then tap on my network. Now you can find all of your contacts on this page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.